Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I pulled this pink wig out of my closet and washed it, and today we're going to turn it into some type of cute blunt wavy vibes. So first, as you can see, I just brushed the hair out. I did dye this hair previously. I will list the video below, but the easiest way to cut a bob is just to put it all in a ponytail in the back, and so that's what I ended up doing. I didn't want any elevation. I think it's called elevation, but I didn't want any of that, so I just wanted it blunt. And the easiest way to cut a bob is to use some clippers or some trimmers. Clippers work best. That's what I'm using, and I'm just gonna cut a straight line above the hair tie. Okay, so when cutting it this way, it's not going to give you like a straight line, of course, but it's going to give you a pretty good guide. So, if you don't know much about hair, if you just cut it in a ponytail and then you'll just even it up just like this. As you can see, this is kind of at an angle, but I kind of want it at a blunt cut. So I'm just going to even it up all the way around. And then once I have it all the same length, I'm just going to shake it out just to see if there's any straggly hairs. And there goes some right there. So I'm just going to chop, 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 chop. And then it's gone. So now we got us a little blunt cut bob. Ew, ew. So what I'm going to do next is add some curls in it because I'm like, this is pink hair. So it will look really bomb with like some little curly, wavy things going on with it. So as you can see, I'm separating it into two sections, and I'm going to start with the bottom row. I'm just going to take some of the hair and curl it back. Now, so for the left side, I'm going to curl it back, and for the right side, I'm going to curl it back. So basically, all of my curls are going to be going back. And do you see how the ends are kind of straight? That's okay, because that's a part of the look that we're going for. You'll see it at the end. So this is the same flat iron that I use in most of my videos. I think it's it's the titanium heat, and it gets really hot. It goes up to 450. You can get it at the beauty supply store. I got mine from Beauty Master. It was like $26, and it works really good, and it lasts really long, and it gets really hot. So if you're looking for a good flat iron, this is one that I recommend, and especially with the titanium plates. The titanium plates allows the plates to just slide through your hair and not tug on it like those little ceramic flat irons. I just do not like them. So anyways, this is how the curls are turning out, and this is how it ended up looking. Now I did curl one side tighter than the other, but it still turned out really, really nice. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll talk to you later. Bye bye.